To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
I've done so much things in the name of life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with faith. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Lost some time with some friends of mine in the name of loyalty. Cause I'm here and it's my pleasure, but as soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend at a time. Gotta get myself together, cause in me I find the treasure. On this journey I keep losing one friend as I climb, one friend at a time. One friend at a time. Yeah. I'll be fine as I take my time to find what's best for me. I've lost so many things in the name of trust, but still I play the fool. Hey, see,
Hello?
lately I found out
What, mommy?
that your heart is strong, that you
I'm there.
when you're young, you belong.
Yeah, which part with mommy? Listen, which part with them alright, I'm comfortable because my friend one policeman and I me control him. Yeah. No. Nothing like that. Hello. You think me and make man control me like how they control you, mommy? I mean I lay my egg in a one basket. That are you. You can be loyal because you see the man nowadays, then just a walk around and fling them body. They not put for them egg in a one basket. You hear? So you can yes, sit down there and be loyal. Me not sit down and be loyal to nobody. Exactly. I don't care what you want to say, mommy. And my life, I'm live you and I want to live you. At least me as somebody that me can control. Remember say you know nobody that you can control, you know. And every time a man go out, they go cheaper, you know, so. Mommy. Alright, my mother. Anything I say. But differently me good for true. Yeah, man. Alright then. Me call her tomorrow later. Yeah, mommy? Later.
What money?
No. You alright?
Everything good?
Yeah. How are you do?
No, because when I come from, I be a thief and people every place now. You understand my face? Secure myself. Clear out this.
So how was the day, honey?
How was my day?
Yes.
My day, as always, I deal with criminal and thief and everything already. How was your day?
It was okay. I just come and find phone with my mother.
You know, some don't want place and some people that say, oh, Rasta, they turn police and they sit there like me, discriminate me here. Eh? You know, long in I force. Eh? Babe, yo, I'm gonna tell you this. You see, based on how me live my life in one way where I don't want people feel like say because I have long hair and them something there, they can judge I and I. You understand me I say? But what you feel about that situation? Like, I never really talked about that long time. You feel say Rasta is a problem for join the force?
No.
See, a mosquito bite today.
No, me no feel say that a no problem because we
Baby.
start from.
Your foot so dirty.
You know, say please.
When you say been one place, so where you come from?
Out the door, me did them.
But you can't out the door in your house. You know how expensive them floor be? Eh? What's your mosquito in your place? That means say nothing when from my babe, yo. I mean, I tell hey, me I take care of you know. Me I take care, not true?
Yeah.
Hey, you know how hard it is to take care in a certain way to make sure it's you're good 24/7?
So what
Eh?
problem now?
I know why problem is like me. I said to myself, say why people always make me feel certain way. You don't feel a certain way there.
No. You don't have to worry about people as long as you get your work done and you have your woman in your yard that take care of you. You don't have to worry about what people have to say, babe.
Me I think about to take a vacation. What do you think?
Vacation?
Mm-hmm.
No, babe. Don't take no vacation.
Alright. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll check my brush on the road on you are going. Cause more if you check in from yesterday but we never get the chance. See? True word.
Alright.
So I'm gonna go link him up and see what I'm going to do. But not if I hope I get from you, nothing at all. I feel like say what? Mm-hmm.
That's the way you smell.
I'm gonna take a shower. Soon for yeah?
Alright, later. You want to take vacation for? So come watch me. Girl.
Me know you well want kill me, but me never know you that kill me in me one and couple of years.
No, nothing like that. Me never know see how you are.
What you mean you don't see me a come?
Girl.
Me know you are them bigger than for me, you know. So you must see me, you must see the little black something.
You just see me down in my phone. Oh, me gonna know who I come through this.
So you are doing a phone and you live with man.
And
You
my
don't need no phone.
Why me not need no phone?
Can the man live here?
The man there?
He soon come.
Okay. And when you want, where you come over here for?
What you mean when me want? You know what is a family?
Me not sure.
This house is a family house.
And your
Me don't need to call, me don't need to text, me just come. Me even need to knock. Me need to just come in.
You just come in.
Then me must come in, me a
Me
family.
gonna put a stop to that. And me promise you, because remember, me and woman and us now. You understand? So when him alone they live, you could have walk in freely. But now you have woman and yard, you have to respect that.
You don't talk? Because when you say I go come to your son, come back to your son, gone through the door.
Just
Let me tell you this. Family yard. And right now you don't have family because you don't get no ring. You just there right as a few couple nights, you soon gone. Because when you soon tell you easily tell the people.
You sure about that?
Nobody will come and never stay for 1 month yet, so me give you 3 more days.
You sure
Let
about
me tell
that?
you this, mama. You can't stop me from come over here. Secondly, you don't know family, so you can't tell me what to do. And my uncle not fool. What you have can't make him tell me no come back here. Blood before water.
Look again, I don't think you know who me really be now. You come like you want to know who me be though. I'm gonna tell you this. Me poison you with rat poison. A year?
How you think I go happen after?
What go happen?
You know what? Oh, okay.
That me I tell you. As a matter of fact, me not in no argument with you. Me I go there so go cool.
Come out as you should.
Because you look like you have your uncle something. I don't mean. But trust me. Me I go put a stop to this.
Any stop I put 2 notes right as you moving out. And if a body please my uncle. Who you man?
Smoking is damaging my brain cells. Oi there! Come here.
Oh my God, call me and frighten me so.
Sorry for frightening you. I never knew you would have frightened so.
I want to make it over here so you're not afraid something cut you.
No, just a few medicine spot. But when I really call you over here so far, are your face when I call you over here so you look uncomfortable in the community? What happened to you?
No, I'm a good man. I just I'm not used to the area.
Your face don't look like nothing. Come talk to me. What happened? Can I know something about you?
You know my man niece?
What your man again?
Oh, you don't know him. I policeman. The police guy.
Who, Patrick?
Yeah, Patrick.
Oh, Patrick!
Yes, Patrick.
Well, in that you say?
No,
Or in Nice? In Nice, no manners. I saw she walk around and disrespect everybody in the community. You get kicked from 3 different schools.
What?
Mm-hmm.
So
me,
social behavior bad?
yep. So me understand why your face looks so now.
No, so no lie. Like, she don't have no respect for me. Me in her house and she just barge in and just say anything she want say to me and do anything she want do in her place. Me not like them that
You
style
wanna
there.
talk to your father about it? Maybe me uncle.
Uncle.
Me ever say father, I don't know where I'm going.
When he come home, me have to go talk to him about it because me not like them there something there and them make me feel uncomfortable. Me not feel like that right.
You have to talk to him because if you not talk to him about it, she go continue. Even though she not listen to him most of the time. You don't know
Well,
that
if she not listen to him, she have to go listen to me because me not gonna take it slight the next time she do that.
Be sorry for your little condition. If you not listen to your uncle. If you not listen to your uncle, you not gonna listen to.
Trust me, she a go listen to me.
Okay. If I say so, I become see your face set away that's why I call over and ask her what with you.
Because me just can't bother. Me feel so confused and if I didn't pick me boy, me don't know. Me don't I niece and him a go on so. Suppose I didn't daughter.
She not no mother. She not no father. You not know.
I don't know. I don't really know nothing about their family. Me just meet the man.
Oh! Totally understand. I understand. But a long time I know Patrick still because I come from here, so I live here so few on my lifetime. So a long time I know him.
I understand.
And a long time I know that little girl there too. You know, no manners. She don't have nothing about her. Like she don't grow up with no home training. But true, she can run certain joke with me. Can me ring off her mouth? So me just stay far from she.
You and them a family or something?
No. We're not related.
Oh.
It's just that me come from me live in the same community as them. Anyways, we can ask you a favor.
Yeah man, anything. Go ahead.
Patrick, me beg Patrick to come on paper for me. You have it in a jacket pocket. So what me would I want you to do is take it out and jacket pocket and carry come give me. Cause me and my friend for a long time, like as me say.
Yeah, my friend, but me no know that, so me can't just do that. Me have to ask him first.
No. Not ask him.
Probably in the evening we carry come give you man when he come off the road. No worry.
No, long if he carry come give me. And if me see Patrick I know.
Then when he come home, me tell him to bring it come give you. Yeah?
Now you me the one to bring me come give me still.
Well, me tell him to give me and me bring it come give you. That alright?
Me need to want to know about that still, but yeah. Girl, you know want to live good in our community.
Yeah,
just do me this one little favor and then your life is quite okay. Just one favor me ask you to do.
Alright then, when we go up, because I think he left in jacket. No, he left in jacket, so I'm not going to.
Alright then, just do that and meet me later and me come collect it. Just come back right here, so.
Right here, sir?
Yeah, just meet me back right here, so running after 6 hours.
After 6 hours? Or you mean after 6?
After 6.
Alright then, no problem. Me do that. Me go take a walk. Cause my brain not even there, so.
Alright man. Because your face look away with me call your verse still. But this is my chill spot. So me always there so.
Alright then, later.
Alright.
Bye.
That me I tell you about, bro. The thing I go bingo, man. You don't know what the things, man. A bad go to a chat to you, man. I'm here, man. Say so, man. Hold on, me show what you back. Hello. I pray.
Oh, evening, what?
Yeah, good evening. You look nice, though.
Thanks.
You see your part with the police boy, you saw a link in, but right now, man, you know, say, yo. See, police can't really protect you. See, every shot in fire, you must give account for that. How we run the ground, one bad goat. Nice to meet you, you know. So where you going up at your yard you go?
Yeah, me I go back home.
I want to keep your contact, you know. You see me? Get to know you. On a personal level, you see me?
So you live around the area?
I live all about, man.
Let me think about it and then...
What did you think about?
I have to think about it first.
Alright, here what I go on. I make you think about it, but I give you my number. I left you with my number.
I don't have my phone.
I'm going to take your number. I send you one message. So when you think about it, you know what I go on. You understand?
Alright.
Yeah, man. I will run the ground, you know. But if you see a police run the ground, you know, you only know one side of your badness, you know. Everything what police do have to report, mama. You see me? How we go for the thing. So your name, put in the name.
I'm in America.
America. Like America. Hey, a big name you have, you know, mama. Yeah, man. Big name you have.
A figure this A.
Oh, that just for sure you, man. Done, you know, my friend. In a real life, you know.
Oh, before we go no further, what would I like to ask you how much money I make a month time?
How much me make a month?
Yeah.
Hey, right now. You feel say me I make police money. My money not monetize, mama.
So
Money
where
just
you
make,
live
and plus me not make money a month. Me make money by the seconds. Every day we make money. Every day we clear food. Brawling, man. That me I show you, see me?
Anything necessary,
I think me
so...
say me I give you a message right now your inbox and I want you reply. When you make up your mind.
Alright.
Yeah, man. We not too upfront, you know, but policeman they can't give you kind of protection, kind of loving, hardcore loving. You ever deal with a real bad man yet?
No.
Alright. That may I tell you that's something to think about.
Alright then, so nice meeting you. What's your name again?
First class, my name Bad Goat, you hear that?
Alright, first class. So we link up. So have a nice day.
When I shake and mama come put up your body against me.
No, but suppose we can't do that.
Hey, you feel I'm afraid of the police.
No, me never say that, but later.
So you will go on. Better reply.
Yeah. You say you are the Dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start driving beamer, yeah. You used to
Sister.
have a girl, now
Brother,
you
what?
have a gold digger.
I mean, you're good.
Alright.
Yeah, shake me and hope me up, I don't know what you do. Lord Jesus, make up your mind.
I'll go on.
Yeah, just come from work.
Then I trim it.
I'll make your eyes try to do that something there. Eh? I like your style sometimes, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Alright, calm down, brother. What I really want to ask you do? You're not married yet?
Sister, you know, say everything I take time, man. You know, say me a bigger brother and you want to see me married and yeah, a cake, you want to come here, me no cake and rum, you want to
Listen,
come drink.
and I just see where the cake I want, you know. I want one nephew or one niece. You can't live your life so bro.
So hold on, you can what? So make you can have one pitney and stop a count for me for your pitney?
No, listen, brother. Don't but I feel like you want to disrespect me now because you know so me can't have kids.
I won't meant to remember to be pal. But I know disrespect my disrespect, but you are trying to put it in one say. It's like you pressure me.
Me need of you hard. Have at least 5 of them. So you keep 2 and me keep 3.
Me I always hear people say, them have some relative in a say, oh no can't have pitney, hurry up. And get them go and live for me. And then when you call them for even stay with them for 1 week, they must have own your responsibility. I feel your pitney enough for me.
No, brother, you know how me love pitney already, so that is no problem to me right now. And the next thing too, me never really want to turn no police, you know. Cause each time I go up on the road, me stress right out. Me have to take up the Bible and I pray for you. You know amount of error points run through my body when you go out at night time and daytime. Me stress out. Me never want to turn no police, me I tell you the truth.
Sister, is that I turn police and I turn thieves? Because you know, say when I grow up, I have certain mentality where I say to myself, say, is that I choose the good one or the bad one. So I use my thief in mentality in the police force. So I know how and which part to go and which part not to go. You understand me? I say, I'm going to tell you this, no sister. Cause I love my work and I protect my work certain way. Me no want no say at any point in time you have a certain girl in your area over here so. Come here you know the police hear everything at some point. Cause we can buy people Kentucky and chicken and something there. And make them feel comfortable if you know some boy and can trust me as a policeman.
So you hear some me have
Me not here. It's when people pass through here, when people pass through here, either if they come check you for something and they stay more than 10 minutes, that means that they not come here to pass through. You harbor. You understand me I said to you?
So how me if you know if the people they good or bad?
No,
Remember
why,
say me no left you see me I left me yard?
me know, that's why I tell you say, that's why I'm here, that's why I come check you. Because this morning, you know, them have one meeting and them a try tell me what I go on, who I do what, which part if you go, which operation, which part we gonna set up this, set up that, and which part if who if you bribe and all them something there. So I tell you that my sister said, your house. And me I said, no man, my sister live there by herself. And them I said, no, them spot people over here. You understand me I say? So no, make nobody come over here.
Alright brother, me understand what you say.
Tell me something. You hear about one brother named Bad Goat?
Bad goat.
Mm-hmm.
The tall brown youth.
Yeah. All team name call, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Look how him grew up good. His mother carry him go to church, baptize him in a river. And when they baptize in a river, when whole person when broke down in the river, I don't know if the curse or whatever when cut from him, I know him take up his back.
So where am I do?
Well, they might tell me say, based on theme organization when I farm, I be a money my collect.
So hold on there. Stick up in there so. Why uno police? No, you don't enforce no, so me have to say uno police. Why uno police always just try to stop the people them food?
Stop people them food. What
No,
do you mean
but
stop people them
what
food? Why you never look work? Eh? Why you never got 9 to 5? Eh? Next now my people go to college. You know waste all the time in a school. And then I go blame what? I love my work. And I call them customers.
I say you behave with the people them?
No, I don't behave this way, but you have to understand, so when I need to be a certain way, I be a certain way. Sister, me love you, you know?
Me love it too, but listen.
So don't defend them, sister, because if
Me
you
not-
defend them,
no.
me go unlove you. So you decide what you want to do.
Me still I go eat. I'm not gonna have sleepless night.
Wait,
But
you
listen.
What behind bars?
Listen.
Sister, me come for you, sister.
Listen.
How?
Listen. If young youths them a try to make their money, Lord, they make their money.
Never allow them, yes?
If it's a different case now, where them a murder people, me not go pick up for them. But if a man in the on their phone and want choppy line, you load them. On the police load them, because remember say before no turn police we used so hungry.
Sis, me go pretend like me not hear this conversation, sis. Me go pretend like say, I dream, me must a dream. Because I guess right now, you talk these things and feel say, it come from a cool place. Sister, me love my job. To serve and protect Jamaica. Jamaica. I can say if I never fit them, me can't get the profit. Me can't go in one place and go get one loan to get one car easy. I have one house, but me soon get. Because right now, you know, it's which I live. Me not live that fair right now. I tell you that. Me just go to NHT and them said to me say everything good. So by the next 2 months, so really and truly, me I try to get one woman now me can organize it as I say, married. But sister, don't make me hear them words that utter out of your mouth. I will come for you. You understand?
Alright, bro.
We say alright like I with my friend yard.
No, I'm gonna eat some food now.
Sister, I'm not come to make you uncomfortable, you know.
I didn't say that.
So
Listen, me understand what you say. I'm not going to talk like that again. But me need to consume some food and look soup.
Alright.
So.
Yeah, but how you say it, you try to use a head palm me like you always use a head palm me when we're younger. See? When you say that, and I said nothing wrong with you. I become my foot when think. And you know my foot when think. And you, hey. Don't use a brain for my sister.
See Jeep come there. Are you squaddy them?
No, none of them.
Private
I
car.
know for my people them. Just really relax, don't move, don't talk too much. Just look and shake. But just pretend like you're talking. Them operation me I tell you about, them say, you know, them a vehicle unknown and what a drive through your area.
What you want with the gun?
Kick. Why when I'm full, you're hungry?
Later, bro. Love you.
Love you. Oh, are you?
Man, General.
No, there, man, what I'm to you? What, your dealings?
We there, man. Big up, man. You
Eh?
don't know a single, man. We there, man. We don't violate, man. We there easy, man.
You not getting trouble in that area?
No, man. I'm
Eh?
to you, man.
Make sure you know.
No, do that, General, man. Big up yourself, you know.
Because I hear about you, you know, bad goat and all these things. And yo, me I said to myself, say that you from my community, I mean, I want to say, boy, me I live in the same community, me I forward I come pick you up, you know.
No, man.
You understand me I
about
say?
that, man. Right now, we look up to you as a general in our place, you know. Man, want to be like you, you know. Patrick, hear me I say, man. We are going to behave ourselves, man. I are a general around here, you know. Don't worry about it, man. We not get no trouble in our place, man.
Make sure you know.
Church, more and talk, go on something. Hey,
That's
cool,
not go to
Patrick.
church. That's a good move, man. That's a
Cool,
damn
man.
good move.
Yes, man. I'm not fully pack my bag yet, but we get in there, you know.
Cause, alright, make a break this down to you, know.
Yeah.
I don't know how you're going to really receive this because guess what? Earlier today, me and them talk about bad goat. I received certain and certain money. And receiving certain and certain money over certain standard, you know how things I go. Well, me love my job, you know. You understand? And I work. So, me no want come now and, well, no, why for that? Me no want forward and then, you know, me go to say I you and you to say me. And all these and all these things, you know what I mean? And then me have to go fire, you know what I mean?
Well, no, man. We
So
not
just-
recess, man.
Just know me, I tell you, a little birdie tell me. So if you are collect, no say you uncollect. You understand? And just make it thing flow properly.
Nah, I put myself in your way, Papa.
Or yourself. You know, you man call me Popo. You know.
Alright,
Me
Patrick.
officer.
Patrick, officer.
Or Patrick.
Officer.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or Officer Patrick.
Officer.
Nobody know
Patrick.
Popo.
Alright.
You understand me I say?
Cool, no, man.
Don't diss me. You understand me I say?
Cool, no, man.
Alright, so big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, general.
See?
Man. Yeah, man.
You see me go man pass us earlier, cause make me don't know if you're in CR passes. You know woman though?
I don't know your woman, you know.
Oh, good talk, you're smart. We shall get it. Yes, sir.
Alright.
So remember now, you know, if you are collect and collect.
Even Mona.
Even my child, Mona is not here.
But we need to collect my things. What we can't find her? Because she had dodged me right now, you know.
Hey, look, girl. You feel lucky say me change, you know. Cause he come like you smell a stinking self. How happen? Me say she not there here.
And me say when me can't find her.
Come out of my place. Come out of my place.
Yeah, you damn host who can like. Listen,
Come
me,
out of
never
my place.
come here
I know
for me
that.
argue with you.
I know that. I know that. Come out of my place.
You know what me I can come out to your place.
Me never come out of my place, girl. Move! If you lucky, say me change, cause I just take up sin and lick you across your face right now. Cause you
Don't
come
do
like you
that.
don't know who you play
Don't
with.
do that.
You know who you play with? And that me say, me ask if you know who you play with. When you come in my place, I can give me chat for. Me say if you come out of my yard and I know manners, girl.
Me never born with none and me go dead.
Go out of my yard.
gone?
No.
What you know when you come here then?
Wait do I?
I want to take my jacket. What?
No, take up the whole of it.
Oh, you put up it?
Yeah,
Take
I
it.
put up it.
Why?
I like how you look on the suitcase stuff.
Hmm?
I like how you look on the suitcase stuff.
Oh.
What do you? I sit down on this and you drive.
This is my sister. My sister talks some sin thing, Mr. Man. And the things that much she talk to me, make me feel like she change.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, so you mean? You should know, so I'm going to go for her if I don't need her.
Go for your sister.
What do you mean, so I'm go for my sister? I love my work, you know. Police job. Is that I turn police or thief, that I tell her. And if I understand, say, me no want, you know, I don't want a situation where, cause what? Me don't go to jail with she then? If something happen?
You're not going to jail with your sister, but I don't think your sister do not all the time.
No, oh, she talk about if you left people who are scam on this and that and blah, blah, blah. I mean, I say, no, you can't do that, sister.
Probably she expect justice.
You too?
No, babe.
You mean split justice? Oh, justice for split. When, if somebody did something wrong, how if it split?
So when you raise...
What do you mean somebody raise my voice? Me must raise my voice, I'm angry. What do you mean somebody...
Stop.
Yo, me tell this man.
I pull out just... Did I pull out the gun?
When me pull up my gun, no, me want to say, my gun come out, look like come out. Are you touch my gun?
Oh.
Are you touch my gun?
I have something to talk to you about.
What do you mean say something talking about? What are you talking about?
I don't know how you go road and not go road strap.
Yeah, because me in a hurry up. And that's when I go on.
Well, next time I be careful because you know say bad man they live on the road.
Which
so
bad
you
man?
always-
No bad man can live on the road, that's all. Me only bad man in the lane. Yeah. Me I walk past all I can see one boy then called Bad Goat. Eh? Bad Goat. Bad Goat. Me name I call this morning. And me no want to in a no situation where me have to go pop off. Yeah, come here, I say, me no want to pop off.
So,
Me say me a bit me angry.
calm down.
You like certain vibes, man.
I'm
That me I tell you.
talk to you.
Talk no? Just talk your talk.
Anyway, your niece, me not like how your niece always a pop up in her house and come in here and raise her voice for me.
No worry about me niece, man. She mad in her head. Sick in her head a long time.
Let me tell you, no, listen to me now. Me not go there and have a little girl a pop up. Suppose me naked.
She know how
And
the same
suppose
thing
me
when
and you in her room and do something.
No, that different
and
now.
she pop in.
Listen, my little niece, her head goes sometime. So you have to understand. Say,
No, me not understand that. Pitney a pitney.
Hello, calm down your voice.
Sorry.
Calm down your voice. Remember you talk to me now.
Sorry.
A man have to laugh. What if you on the road and people are hearing me woman attack to me so? I shout, I raise them voice. You don't do that.
Sorry.
You understand me? I say, calm down your voice.
Sorry.
So me I tell you, say, my little niece now, she is sick in her head sometimes. It's simple as that. You can't heal madness. You can't heal madness.
Oh, so you say your niece mad?
Yes!
I think coming one day I'm lick him tell them say I'm mad too.
You cannot do that, cause remember you know blood thicker than water.
I don't care what you want to say no.
Yo, what you try to say to me, sir?
What me
You
I
have to
try
choose.
to say?
Hey, mister, don't raise a voice for me. Don't raise a voice for me. Me's a man of the law.
Just listen what me have to say.
Then talk. Take your time. And talk now.
What me I try to say, respect you, and you want to live here again. You have a woman in her house now, so when she come here, she's supposed to knock.
She just not used to you. Simple as that. Just get that in your head now.
No, me not
Listen,
get
I
that
got
in
you
my
know.
head.
And listen to me. Don't make me feel like I'm gonna touch again, you know, cause I think government gun, you know. You understand me? I say.
So, man, no,
So you have to
so
make
what
sure,
you
say, no, you're going to pan safety, you must know that.
Put on your gun, put on your gun, put on your gun, put on your gun.
Don't touch it.
Not touch your gun, but
You go beat.
any funny move again, me have to go dry, me have to go dry.
What you mean, so you draw a gun pan somebody since there?
Yeah, me dry gun for your niece.
How dare you?
Oh, dear me.
Well, let me tell you something.
Somebody just pop up in your house, so me
I not
find-
fear.
So,
I not fear.
it did the fix.
Uncle. Like you're there now.
So what me a talk about? This me a talk about.
you
This
talk
me
about?
a talk about.
You see.
Uncle, me come beg you one soap.
Listen to me. You have to understand this thing. She not used to you, yeah.
Then she need to get used to me because she come here this morning and see me here. So you're supposed to get used to.
In due. Hello. What you doing? Sit down and relax yourself. You're fresh. You're fresh in your mood. I'm saying to you, what you need to understand is, she not used to you here, and she's always here.
Yeah,
and
give
me tell
her
you, say,
right. No.
shut your mouth. Me tell you, say, you have to understand certain things. You
Let's do
understand?
it there.
Oh my God.
She laugh and she mad.
Go in the kitchen if you soap. Soap in the kitchen.
No, that soap there. Bad soap.
Bath soap in the bath. So go in the bath for the bath soap.
Me don't want that one day. I want new bad soap because she used that one day.
Bath soap, look under the basin. You will see the bath soap.
Under the basin.
Under the basin. Hey, come that way. What that way? So.
I can't go manage this.
When you say can't manage this,
Yeah,
so what that mean?
manage.
So you want to I come here and come out? And if you want left, remember say you come from far, you know. Work on your system. You understand me I say?
Me don't know
Relax
for the
yourself, man.
Rasta policeman.
Hello. Stop say Rasta policeman.
But you're a Rasta.
Stop say it.
Rasta. You're a Rasta. So
Me not make it out. Just watch where I go on. Me have a beard. Don't take up the bar soap there. Me get the one if you get.
Hey,
Father God, the way you take long, me think you all forgot.
why?
Me days to start all worried.
You know something about I get you?
Eh?
When I get you, man, catch me.
Eh?
You catch me.
You have to be smart.
I drop me
man.
a make girl.
Me not run them serious joke there.
Why you don't run joke?
Me never say me not run joke, me say me not run them serious joke there.
Oh.
So
But
wait
anyway, sit here. So
you sure I hit?
why you ask me the question there? Tell me where there I'm go right there for you.
Okay, I hit. Thank you very
So what
much.
that's all about?
You have to know that too. Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright.
I got it locked.
Just open and ask me feet, because I don't know what I'm going to answer to him.
Mama, if you ask so far, tell him so you don't know nothing about it. Because you're not touching jacket. It is that simple.
Me touching jacket and he said me touching jacket. Your face you drop me I met one time, I tell us say he nearly catch me with the paper. He nearly catch me with the paper for you know.
So you catch you with the jacket in your hand.
Yes,
Oh,
and I did have a
God.
paper in my hand, but my ID and the bottom and slide the back in my pocket.
Mama,
And when
you
he
tell
come
you
out of the room now, I take out the back and just rush out of the house.
next time, you tell you need to be smart. You have to look out of your eye. You get your eye if you look, and you get your ears if you listen.
You get the paper though?
Thank you very much.
Good.
Respect Panda one day. Alright.
So big up yourself, mama.
Alright.
me rush
You have
go
your
back.
back.
Yeah man, you can do a favor for me?
Which favor that now?
Alright, never niece-in-law. You can give me some lick for me.
Me? Mama, me not depend that. The last time me fight, me, pa? Station. But me glad that over with now. Yeah.
Alright then, that good still, but me sort out her now one different way. You
Yes, start
understand?
out in a one different way because I don't want to put back myself in that position there again.
Anyway, me a rush go up because he don't know some left out of the house can go and beard.
Oh.
I try this
And that the man is easy. Alright, yeah, you can go on. You not take long for beard.
You know say not take long for beard.
No worry about that, mama. Just know say not take long for beard. You're supposed to soon come out of the bathroom by now.
Alright.
Me to put myself in mad.
God, I want to come play with me. Hello, stop. I want me now.
You see, today I have a mad friend come here. And she feel lucky, say, me is a change woman. Because I would have na her face here. Let me tell her so, Lord, forgive me. Chantalama kunte, Chantalama, hey! Chantalama! Me say your friend disrespectful, she don't have no manners. I see through me gone to church now. I just keep myself quiet. Anyways, she come by some package. Make sure say no illegal activity now go on in my place.
No man, you know me would do that. You don't know me from nowhere and you feel comfortable giving me the home. So why would I do that? What you talk about?
Just make sure. Because
like
me not deal with foolishness. Me a decent woman.
Me realize that.
Yes.
So nothing like that, man. You not nothing to worry about. I mean, never do something like that
and
in your
tell
house.
her if you don't come back on my yard and disrespect me like that.
She disrespect you?
She come and she has slapped down my board. I saw me know say she unsound mind. That's why me say it's a mad girl coming on my yard a while ago. I know me can't believe. Come knock down my chichi board. Me can't. Hey, you say to me, you know, warn your friend and tell her if you know herself.
Alright then. I'm grateful for everything you do for me. But I just go down and I just link her and have a talk with her. Because this way she do not call for it don't make no sense. It just make me feel bad in myself.
And one more thing. Remember somebody rent their house in 1 month. And I change my mind and extend it to 6 months. But all things are going right now. Don't make me change my mind.
Come on, I can't change my mind because you can't live outside. You want me to sleep on the outside?
Me say don't make me change my mind because if my mind changes, I go come back. So just go and go do what you say.
I link her because she not make me sleep outside.
Yeah, I'm going to put it people them for confident child.
Alright then, do that. Have a nice day.
Alright. I never see a lane without a tunnel. Wanna go on? Look boy, me is not a mother, me not no breastfeed you. Wanna contact on pitney?
Girl, you may come. We had one yard. Come, tell me we had one yard.
What do you mean when me do your yard?
The shipment just start. And you want all smash up everything, girl. Just one little weed.
Girl, you know say when me want weed, me mad.
That's why you come on my yard mad. I make you come and nearly put me out.
Oh, she nearly put you out so you never.
Where you come on me and cause the woman for?
Me? I did a woman raise and get up and cuss. Me never go down there.
The woman is a very peaceful woman. She's a Christian and she's nice. She didn't even know me from nowhere and she give me the house to live in her. You want me to go road, girl, and me your friend? You want me to live outside?
All you do.
You gonna put me up? You gonna put me up?
You hear me say?
Me hear
all
talk.
you do. No, me have to come in your yard again. Because if me come in your yard again, a problem.
Better you not come on my yard. Better you not come on my yard. Better you just don't come.
Because right now, me feel like I hide you, I hide me out.
Me not hide you out, girl, but you just do not come back around there because now the little woman put me out because of you. You don't have no manners. You disrespect the woman in our house.
Well, I want thing me have to say, you see, when me want my weed, me mad.
If you want a weed, just lick me pan the bird. And make me carry weed come give you. Don't come on me
yard.
yard.
Me your phone, me say you not answer, so me find a yard.
A matter of fact, you see the organization we have? What do you? Just cancel that. We are just bridging for now.
I lie, yeah, tell.
Yeah, we are just bridging. Just left it there, so we are bridging.
You see this, what you call it? Whatever the word they be, it can't cancel because you reach halfway through it already. I know you want cancel when you reach halfway through.
You know, some just find out, say you're cooked for true.
You just know that.
You're cooked for true, you know. The shipment cancel, and that's final. I don't have no more to say to you. Just leave it there as a bridging. If you don't want that, that's fine. But this not gonna work. Me not gonna do it.
Me don't say what me have to say no. Just ensure say me get what me forget.
You're alright, you know. You're alright. It's cancelled. Final.
Right. A matter of fact, I'm gonna call Patrick. Cause that girl I feel she's smart. Hello. Yeah, I know some know where one criminal located though. Yeah, she in some illegal business. And why you pull up her foot. Yeah, you know what brown slim lady? What she name? She go by the name Cherry. Yeah, I right over here she live. Yes, she has sell. What you mean how me know that? Me know because me and her already friend but to follow out now. Yeah. She always hide it on her bed. Alright then. Yeah, just call me when I get through. Alright. You're not smarter than me. Right.
Let me jacket.
So you ready for it?
Yeah.
Come. I'm actually say have a wonderful day today.
So make it so nice today. How about me?
No, I just feel good like today I'm a special day.
Alright. So thanks for looking breakfast.
Uh-huh. So remember your phone?
Alright. We have a little thing to do. I go down to the station first to collect some information about one situation. And then I go up one boy to check him because from yesterday I forgot about me, I'm kind of tired. You know what I think? So later, yeah?
So now all good?
You know, say, alright, come in.
Later.
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright.
You know the plans there for you?
No, we just have to do some washing and cleaning.
You wash? Alright, me have one dirty brief from that corner, so you can take up with me.
So when you left your brief, where dash your brief over there, Stephen?
Whenever dash, you drop it around there. You understand?
Alright.
You always give me a hard talk. What to you?
No, me not get.
I'll be a hard talk every time you say something, you say three. Huh? What I can work out?
You know what I respond?
I no matter respond, but it's like what a DJ by DJ.
No, why you always
Track
get
with track.
so aggressive?
When you say aggressive, I'm not aggressive. I say just they do what you need to do then now.
So when you go and say,
Later, yeah.
we go pray. Father God, forgive me. Forgive me for telling my mother say me not lay my egg in one basket. Forgive me for give the me not even know when me not even remember my name, Father God. But forgive me for give me number. Because my police rasta man a deal with me good enough. And he came from a far away. So please me I beg you, forgive me for every wrong thoughts me have in my head. In Jesus' name, amen. I'll go wash. I'll take a
Yeah, Mr. Tibby.
Yeah, deal with that now, boss.
Why am I there, you know? Everything good?
Yeah, man.
You're not reporting on my station, you know, so.
What?
Yeah, man, you're not reporting on my station. So them said to me, say, boy, I have to check. Because I don't understand how I go on. You know the law work, you know, Tibby.
Man, how you come to me about your man, about me now report? Brother, I'm here, brother. We not come from the said place. You feel protect we, you know?
What do you mean so we live in the same place? What you talking about?
Patrick, me not depend, you know, brother.
Listen to me, I said to you. You need to report on my station. That's all. It's a simple thing, you know?
Patrick, where me live, where you live? Said lane we live in.
Alright, listen to me, I say. Because you keep on saying the same thing. Me
brother,
say, them give one strict order. Say, only thing you need to do a report and sign your name, and then you can do what you do. But then I want to know, see you not dead about.
You a foul person if you come to me.
When me say me a for a person, so what? Now work me a work.
Work, yeah, but we live in, I said, community.
That not have nothing to do with it. So alright, if you live in the same community as me, and you
Patrick, I violate
and you're a farmer.
thing, Patrick, man.
Me a violate.
I violate
You know when them violate? I what you do right now.
Thing, brother.
Alright, you me I say, since that's so be the case, me have to go bring you down to the station.
Brother,
Me have to go bring you down to the station.
yo, Patrick, that really depend, brother.
Me have to go, me love my work, you know. My work is very important to me. Because if me no work, me can't feed my own of them in
I'm all pray, man. Me a change all my shoes, brother.
When me a change all my shoes?
Patrick, me a change all. Me nah go down to the station, look, so. You come me look. Yo, me a forward there, brother. Cause anything or anything to the brother.
Yo, you better hurry up, you know. Yo, nobody not tricky, you know. Why not tricky stuff, you know, because you don't know anything going on. Yo,
What time you had me?
Yo, where are you? Where are you?
Yo, Patrick.
I'm going to say, you know.
I hammer this.
So where are you? When we start.
Yo, come on.
Help! Me tell you,
Help me, Manda.
Hey, arrest the man, fam.
When me say me arrest a man?
You have a warrant?
When me say, of course me have a warrant.
Show me.
When me say show you? Me have a warrant. Me have... What is that? Me show me have a warrant. When me say me show me there?
Yo, get the man out of me yard, no. Be run him out, you know, no warrant.
I shot him.
When me say I shot him?
Be help me, no call the ambulance.
I don't understand where you warrant there. Where you warrant there? When me say come out of yard?
Call the ambulance, help.
Warrant there.
Officer, what your name? Whatever you want name.
Yo, as some trick business now go, alright, here we are going. Me a fall back with the warrant, because I'm sure some get it down there. You see you?
Be run
You
him
see you?
Man, the run him out of yard, no.
Come.
All I want to know, Patrick, you know. Oh, God. Be. Kill me if you kill all the police boy and you Patrick, you know.
Yeah, they start talking about police, man, guns. Yeah, please, they come.
Yo, I'm not busy with that right now.
Jenny, Vika, hospital, come.
Be take time with me, no brother. Yo, this no matter me, brother. Patrick matter me, no brother. This can't deal with after me. I think about Patrick. You don't see man coming at me hard without warrant, come shot me.
Don't worry about warrant. But anyways,
Yo.
come.
Brother, yo.
Come now. Jesus Christ, the mag about you. How weird.
You kill a boy there, you know.
Hi, Shanice.
How you want?
Alright. I realize I'm going to here for a long time. So, me and you have to go get along.
Me, what? Rephrase that. You know, see me relax. Me just not have no feeling my back. Rephrase that sentence, they come and understand.
Me say, me and you have to go get along.
Get along for why?
Because
for a
me
reason.
go there for a long
Let me hear the year too. Let me hear the year too, you know, lady. I've been like you from morning, no one night, me not go like you. And you not stay here no longer. Me tell you 3 days have and 1 gone, so you only have 2 days left.
You sure about that?
Oh man, nobody when my uncle take up, never stay long. Never.
Let's see about that.
Me know you not have the glue, the grip, nor the almighty to hold on my uncle.
I got everything to hold him.
You don't have it. You don't look like you have it, for you have it, you do outside one night, yeah.
Out where?
You see, that me sure say you don't have the glue, the grip, nor the jam. You just a pillar towards my uncle
Anyway, you're not going to say nothing to me if you make me feel offended or vexed or whatsoever for going to go cuss my man. You understand? Because I realize I'm
Rephrase, you cuss people, man, because I'm not your man. People, man. Everybody, man. I'm not your man alone, everybody, man. So come, talk.
I'm not going to make you me live for you, say. You're just a child. You understand?
So you try to say, me not have no sense?
No, me not say.
Me psycho?
No, but me I say, people like Uno, we make people mash up their relationship.
With people, man.
No, you have said that way, me don't know. He always come home to me, though.
Yeah, because you're the pillar night time.
Well, let me be a pillar.
Okay.
At least I take care of me now.
So what make you feel like you want to come all peace with me now?
Because me go there for a long while.
Who tell you that? Who tell you that?
Call me big brother, you know, cause you must feel like that's a thing, so. Have to kill a boy down your patchy. Today, yeah. Oh, bro. There, man, big bro. You can't come give me a link.
Yeah, me a forward, man. So
Yeah.
this a while ago, you know.
You know, say, why can't lift up that thing that can't check me, want to borrow, you know. Alright.
I'm not realize you can't come, man.
Alright, forward.
Be you good.
I'm feel good, brother. You know,
See,
get shot.
it's still a bleed hard.
Come on, you know,
Me
just
know why
say
you
good.
praying of violence, you know.
No, I'm not depend still, you know, but still, me I go to a station over here what them a deal with, you know.
You sure?
Right now, my foot, see, I still I believe the brother, yo. The boy on the plastic still and still in for dead, you know, brother.
Me tell you, say you're not praying of violence.
Nah,
Are
really
you still
praying
a
of
pre that
violence,
way there?
brother. What you mean, but and even if me feel not praying of violence, say me not for praying of violence, bro. Where the pan, brother?
Remember say, I'm a police, you know.
So what?
I'm a
I
police.
had make him.
That me not like with you now, you know. You're not chill. You need to chill out sometime.
Yo, still, my brother can't check me, you know.
Which one of them?
What you mean, which one of them? How much brother me have?
Me not. Listen, the weed when me born, it forgot my
Brother.
brain, so you have to tell me again. How much would you have?
So long as someone take to come, brother, right now, I'm not meds right now, you know, brother. Because right now, a different thing me upon right now, brother.
You know what me I can
You
go
can't
in?
help me, brother.
Me I go finish cook.
But you can't go on where you go, brother. Come and contact me.
And I me make you get shot in the sir, don't get
What you
it
mean?
out for me.
Yo, brother, just ease me up, no bad man. I'm telling you, brother, go on your ways, brother.
That's with you now.
I'm going to chat about me, not to retaliate, brother. How this man take so long to forward, brother?
Princess,
What's wrong?
good day, what's up?
Okay.
Good day, are you come check in?
Sorry, me not down here there.
Man like you more, you know, the little laundry and thing, you know, take care of the yard, you know. I text him and I see her reply to my text.
Actually, I'm busy, that's why me have all the stuff to do.
Too busy to reply to her text.
Yeah, I'm not really on my phone, as you can
Princess,
see.
man, I like the energy you give me, you know.
What kind of energy me again?
You know me and you make for each other and we have a bond, you know.
Me and I make for each
I
other,
mean,
you
we are
can't say that.
soulmates.
No, me and a soulmate.
So what I say?
Me I say, me have a policeman.
Stop talk about the policeman.
Why me fi stop talk about
me. I
him?
like hear about police, you know. Don't show you a way you run the ground, man. Stop telling me about police, man.
Listen, it can't work out between me because the man when me have,
Sweet, you know.
him a do everything for me. You know, foreign came me from come here so, and for me go cheat on him, no, me can't do it. I'm sorry, but me can't do it.
I boss you tell say you can't do it. You know me who? I mean name bad girl. Look for me when I talk
That
to you,
not
man.
have
I'm
nothing
tell
to do with me. A policeman me I deal with. One phone call.
One phone call, what you mean by one phone call?
Just later. Me talk to you next time. Me a whole heap
No,
of
ma,
things
hold
with
on,
you.
my friend. I show you something. I know some of the things. You hear that?
No, hold on,
I know
no.
some of
Hold
the
on,
things.
no.
You
Hold
hear
on,
that,
no.
man?
Hold on,
You
no.
hold
Please,
on,
me I
man.
beg you. Listen, no.
Yeah, say what I say. Make sure something good next come out of your mouth now.
Me I think.
I don't tell you what I need upon, you know. You can't have my eyeball for you and just come evade, so. How bother with that, man?
Nah. Just let me think about it.
No, me already make you think about it.
Let me think
I
about
want to
it
go
again
dance and
now.
I come for you now.
Go ahead.
Yo.
Babe.
Yo.
Hey!
Ask him my life. Yo.
Wagwan. Come on now.
Ask him my
Go ahead. Step up from the end.
I want to light me a bar, man.
I like your bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
you see lighter?
I want a lighter, man.
Alright. You don't like her. You start. Hey, go ahead. Step up from one now. Hey, you talk to you, boy.
Yeah. Let's say go on.
You see me I talk to you, you have to
Yeah.
listen and respond to me. You step out of my yard.
I hear you, man.
Step out of my yard.
Freshness in a Patrick. I don't say we live in a Patrick. I'm here, Patrick.
How are you going? Me say how really are going on, sir?
No, when we go in our house.
Go in our house.
Go in our house. You gone?
What you want to do, I do? Eh?
Did I pin out the clothes them I did wash?
You want me tell you this? See? A far me carry from me now.
I know.
And me no want this a boy name Bad Goat for dead in my place. Yeah, look for me I talk to you.
Yeah, me I listen to
You listen to me I talk to you, you know. Because I don't want to get violent with you, you know. My day was very rough, you know. Me I shoot somebody today, you know. Someone when you're outside, I linger. You understand me I said to you?
Yeah.
So what you want to talk about?
No, he come borrow one lighter.
No, listen to me. I know you, you know. What you want him to talk about?
He come borrow one lighter. Me never have no lighter. That's why I come here ask her.
You start smoke?
No.
So how you feel entertain about lighter?
Oh, when me
How much is we use round there? So you talk about lighter?
me never remember.
Me tell you this. One chance, me I give you. One chance. And if me ever feel and think, say you in a no hanky-panky with this Bad Goat here.
Me not even like him.
Let me say to me like him. I chop on this side, you know. My money not enough, you know. Money you want from him?
What happened?
And money you want from him?
I will perceive so far.
Because time hot. And money you want from him?
No, me no want nothing from him. He just come borrow a lighter.
Me still like you look so uncomfortable. Like something really are going.
No, me just feel hot. You know hot? Me feel hot.
No, me not hot.
Me feel hot.
Alright, you what we're gonna do? We might have a left the place now. Alright, you tomorrow we might have a left the place officially.
Yeah, Oreo.
Because the NHT thing are forward and you know certain things are work out positively. I'm telling you, I shot a boy today. Jesus Christ.
So, yeah,
Tell me something. You're gonna me don't know for some reason I miss one paper out of my damn jacket. Me have a warrant for arrest somebody. And imagine somebody up on the scene and try to arrest somebody. And them will tell me say, and me don't have no warrant. So me dig in my pocket and fish on my warrant now. Nothing. Not a damn thing come out.
Warrant?
One warrant.
No, me never got in your jacket. Me no know nothing about that. Me no know nothing about that. So you can't ask me nothing about that. Me no know.
And me and you living and me and you and Duppy. Did you take a paper out of me? This is the moment when you can tell me the truth.
Alright. Yeah, me meet one girl on the road and me take out.
Which girl you meet on the road?
She named Amanda.
Jesus and pity must. You know what you do for me today? You set up, you set me up, you know? You set up my life.
Oh, me set up you.
Where you meet Amanda? That means you go a road.
No, me didn't.
That means what?
No, me didn't walk. A day when your niece come disrespect me in the house. Me come out of the house and I go clear
Go
the
in.
end.
Go in the house. Move everything in the house. Move.
Patrick, you friend them have a dead off. Send this viral. Now come back here and look on the foot. The woman must don't cook you now. But wait, I can't go in the house with the thing.
come here.
Be!
May I come?
Don't cook fast, see me.
Because me just do something simple.
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you eat it half too. I know that it all left now.
Be, come on, be.
Hmm?
When I go sleep, I feel beer pain. No, I put ya. Put up it till later.
Alright, go and go sleep. We can check time.
I drink a day. Keep the devil away. Girl, you don't know what session I just come out of prison.
Alive.
Yeah, me hear say I go come for you. So you have to go lift up. Cause me hear say I come for you.
Go.
Me no know. Sorry about what I'm doing now.
Yo, bad goat no for this, so you know that me I tell you, when bad goat them I me feel like I'm a curse. Don't touch my jacket. That me I tell you.
But honey, I get no gun, man.
I know for me them. I for government. And if you think you're bad, touch that one, no?
No, I'm not.
Me want to see you touch that one you like the last one where you claim you drop on my knees.
Me
You're out tired, you know. You know no manners, man. Sometimes I have to wonder about how you do things, you know.
Me never know say your niece are coming in our house. Me think of this somebody.
Alright, how does feel? How does feel? How does feel? How does feel?
Me don't feel good.
Eh?
Just stop and
So you do it for me, pop.
So you do it for me so far.
Because I don't want you to do it again and think to do that again.
Me say me never know say your niece are coming in our house. Me sorry. Suppose they make it so go off for me.
Yo, Mr. Man, yo, you don't know, you know, man. Yo, Mr. Yo. You have to understand the circumstances and what me have to do as a police officer, you know, man. And then you have to represent me. You will not have dirty. It's a bad goat here, a par with you.
You never did a par with me. Me tell us you like.
You hang on clothes and you hang on your panty. And your brassiere. I didn't get to see your panty and your brassiere, girl. Eh?
Me sorry.
Now you can't imagine how the sentence look for you. Eh? I can't imagine this. No man, nothing know how human panty look.
Me just come over here feel lighter.
You have to light again? I saw light. Hey, I should be not abusive, you know. I should be not aggressive, you know. Is Ardy you with me? Are you? Me says Ardy you with me? Are you not with me? You can't.
With you.
You're with me. Hey, don't touch me.
So you behave.
We miss me.
You can just stop being so relax.
You get alright. Look on it.
Calm down yourself. Calm down yourself. You have a long day at work today. Just relax now. Calm down yourself. Look how you're sweat and something.
Hungry to them, feel dizzy. You know, don't touch me, man. Say don't touch me. You bad water touch you. I see you touch bad water.
Nobody that touch
I see you touch bad goat. Jesus Christ. This man.
So,
Don't touch me, man. Feel a waste, star.
I'm not on the phone for you.
Me no want a fan for you. Me turn a fan myself. You know, it's a matter of fact, me don't turn a fan because I'm burn no current just so. I tell you, we have to leave this place. That me I tell you, we have to leave this place.
Yes, man, we left the place for true. I don't want to turn it again. You're not carrying niece.
My niece don't live in the house. She have her place where she live with her other family members them. Yeah, she tell you say her family land. You not listening, you know?
She not gonna have access to where we are going now.
Nobody don't know who go. That me I tell you.
Oh my God.
Bad goat. Man.
Why you being
Bad
so
goat.
bad goat? Just
Man.
come for barrel lighter, you know, so them the boy they are smoke
Man.
and sitting.
A February and you make the May. I run February. Eh? But can go so.
No, make no May run no February.
I feel like yo.
So what happened to you guys will get shoot today?
That the man they know is a criminal. See? Me know say he might have think, but he don't know me live. Me don't think he know me live.
Well, that I agree.
Who are you chat to in Alien? Because he can easily get information for.
All Amanda me talk to one bad goat just then to somebody there your niece.
Headquarters I text me now.
So you're in a problem?
Hey, miss, what's the problem? Eh?
Jesus Christ,
But what's the problem?
You're frightened me.
No, you say me a frightened you.
You're frightened me, you know?
I feel hard week, you know for me? Yo, me can't stand certain things start. Jesus Christ.
So why you shoot him man for then if you know say you go put you in a problem?
The man come out with a hammer. Hammer? If he fling and bust me here, what thing will happen? Me have to put on man on him. Me no must protect myself.
Yes, if you
Serve and protect. Protect me too. Dirty criminal and dirty thief. Eh? All the man have to do is just go to the station and write his name, sign his name and that's it. Him now no one go down there go do it. Eh? You cook for a day?
Yeah, me cook.
What you cook?
Mackerel.
You laugh. You funny?
I drop my cook.
Mackerel for dog.
I drop me.
A dog you call me?
No, I'm not killing that.
So what you say? And you laugh with it.
But that's around drop with them wire chair.
Don't touch me chin, man.
You can't just chill. Look at me. They're too serious for your Rasta police, man.
And you say Rasta police again?
Sorry.
Yo, you see that's what I tell you. Say every step of the way, yeah, disrespect I and I.
I'm not disrespect him, just say.
You know hard work for turn police? Eh?
No.
Undercover police at that. You see me in a uniform?
No.
You see me in a uniform.
Why you so aggressive? See how that root up with me.
Let me see the root of the bed. Let's root up this.
Another root up.
Eh? Let me see another. Who you think I talk to? Yo, me think, yo, me understand. Don't go, see. Don't. Come over here, some boy.
Oh, this. Oh, you mean?
Come over here, some boy. Hey, boy, you remember me? Hey, boy.
Oh, this, yeah.
I am Mr. Easy. Yo, where you want search? A thief come for thief? Eh? He's the man. Yo. Hey! Why? You shot it! Give me a gun. The boy dead. Remember that? Why you scared? Come.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I've done so much things in a new life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with